Today's topic is Bloom's taxonomy, and Mr. Bloom, Benjamin S. Bloom, was an expert in education philosophy, and he had a team with him, a large team of education experts, and they worked out a classification of educational objectives. So in 1950s, it was in 1950s, around 70 years ago, they worked out taxonomy of educational objectives. Taxonomy is a classification. Taxonomy is a classification, but it is hierarchical. Hierarchical means tabke bandi hundiyan, level by level, levels. Objectives of education at the lowest level, then little higher level, then even higher level, then higher level. How things should be taught. They worked out, they just wanted to guide people how things should be taught, and what should be our objectives, targets while we teach, okay, and why we learn. So it is a guideline for both teachers as well as learners. Teachers should know, what to teach, how to teach, whatever they teach, how to teach, and what should be their targets of teaching. And learners should also know what should be their learning objectives, what should they learn, how should they learn. And one last important thing is, what we learn from Bloom's taxonomy is how should we assess students. We should not assess in a way that, bad learners get good marks and good learners get bad marks. So good learner is getting bad grades, bad learner is getting good grades. This should not happen. And one more important thing, all of the students should not be getting same grades. They identified three kinds of learnings. One is cognitive, other is psychomotor, and third is affective. So first one is cognitive. Cognitive mana jeko pan kam zehn sa kanda ayu, something brainy that you do with use your brain. Remember that in all the three domains we use brain. Take, but first one is more about intelligence, that how intelligent you become. You require intelligent work. Psychomotor is doing physical work, which requires time coordination, skilled physical work, not labor. Psychomotor does not mean labor. Psychomotor means physical work with accuracy. So who is physically the most strong among you? Perhaps Haris Vittu hai, Haris Tejani Vittu hai.
Yes, sir.
So you are talking about physically, na?
Physically, Haris Vittu hai na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Haris might be, most strong among you physically. Okay, but does not mean that he is the most skilled. He is the most skilled in cricket. It's not necessary. He is most skilled in driving. He is most skilled in embroidery. So psychomotor does not mean strong, being strong physically, but This is physical work with skill, skilled work, skilled physical work. सही है? Like embroidery, like woodcraft, carpentry, like playing cricket, playing football. ठीक? They require physical work, but with skill, high accuracy. सही है? Is it clear? And
Yes, sir.
cognitive केड़ो है? Learning mathematics, learning physics, understanding concepts of physics, understanding economics, understanding medical science. That is cognitive. That is cognitive. Affective केड़ी है? Affective आए दिल जो मामलो. सही है?
Sir, emotions.
Emotion.
Yes, sir.
Emotions जी जिम्मेवारी तो पाने दिल ते रखंदा आहियूं न.
Yes, sir. Sir,
हाँ ॿुधायो.
पर sir science जे हिसाब सां त mind control कंदो आहे.
Oh yes. Okay, I told you in the beginning, everything comes from the mind. सही है? So the skills
Yes,
that you
sir.
have, they come from the your brain. Okay, the physical skills are learned by brain. Cognitive skills are also learned by brain, and of course, affective domain is also dependent on brain. सही है? पर
Yes,
बदनाम
sir.
तो दिल है ना,
Yes.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
त पाण छा चवंदा आहियूं, दिल जा मामला हूंदा आहिनि न, दिल जा मामला. You understand feelings of some people. हाँ? त इहो दिल जो मामलो आहे. You understand feeling of someone, okay, or you ignore someone. You,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तव्हां सख़्त गीर थी वेंदा आहियो, कंहिंखे इग्नोर कंदा आहियो. हाँ, त माण्हू चवंदा आहिनि पत्थर दिल आहे.
Yes,
ना?
sir.
The stone hearted person. Okay, so you have to to live a healthy life, you need to have all the three skills. So yeah, you should be able to understand feelings of other people. You need to be sensitive to feelings of other people and respect their feelings. So yeah, and you need to know where to laugh, where not to laugh. You should not be hurting anyone. So yeah, and where to show your sorrow, how to show your sympathy, how to be empathetic. So yeah, and all those things are affective domain. And of course, I think your communication skills. Your communication skills के ता पढ़ंदा आहियो न, communication skills.
Yes, sir.
They fall in affective domain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, communication skill में छा पढ़ंदा आहियो तव्हां? Communication skills पढ़ंदा आहियो अॼुकल्ह?
Yes, sir.
सही है, उन में छा हूंदो आहे?
Sir,
Sir, way of communications, how
Way
to
of
communicate,
communication.
how to convey your
barriers
thoughts.
to communication.
अच्छा, barriers of communication. Hello, ठीक है. You might not be studying exactly what I mean, but actually, communication skill is not the language. Communication skill course does not teach language. So yeah, a typical communication
Yes, sir.
skills. Typical communication skills does not, if you know good English does not mean that you have good communication skills. No, that's not true. I don't agree.
Yes, sir.
There are people who are motivational speakers. They have to be good communicator, but that doesn't mean that if someone is speaking English, he has good communication skills. No. Only knowing certain language does not make you good communicator. It's matter of feelings. You need to be sensitive to these situations. You need to know where to speak what, and it can be in any language. So communication skill is necessary for every person, every human being, to maintain good relations. To maintain
Good relations.
good relations within your family, good relations outside your family, good relations in your at your work. So yeah, with your colleagues, with your clients, customers. Okay, so these three things, now first one, we will associate with brain. Second one, we will associate with your hands. Third one, we will associate with your heart. Okay, but majorly, dominantly, your studies come in the domain of cognitive learning. Learning physics, learning engineering, learning medicine is cognitive skill. It is cognitive skill.
Cognitive.
Now, Bloom and his team, they did not work on they did not work on second and third. They worked on only first one, cognitive. So first one is cognitive domain, and they worked out 6 levels of learning. They worked out 6 levels of learning. The lowest level is knowledge. Knowledge mana remembering, memorizing, recalling. So when you are in class, when you are during session, studying during session, you memorize, and when it comes into come into exam, you recall what you memorized. ठीक है? The most fundamental learning object is knowledge. Remember. To remember the things, to remember your own name, to remember names of your friends, to remember names of your teachers, to remember names of all the relationships, to remember names of areas, to remember names of things. So yeah, to remember dates, to remember numbers, like cell phone number, CNIC number, to remember value of pi, to remember value of C. Okay, how many of you remember value of C? All of you remember value of C?
Value of
C. What is C?
C is the value, sir.
C
the speed of light.
Yeah,
Speed of light.
Speed of
Speed of
light.
light. 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second.
Oh, okay, all of you are intelligent.
Very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
So you remember the value of C.
3 into 10 power.
You remember value of pi.
3.14.
Yes, sir. 3.14.
You remember when Pakistan came into being.
1947.
Yes, sir. 1947 August.
1947.
You remember your date of birth.
1947.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, for sure. 2000.
Okay, some of you were born in 1947.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, so we are 20s kid.
Okay, so
20%.
remembering, in school, the first thing teachers do is making you memorize.
Yes, sir.
So yeah.
Ji, sir.
Okay, that is the first fundamental thing we should remember.
It's long-term memory.
We should remember the definition of Ohm's law. We should remember.
Yes, sir.
We should remember the statement of first law of Newton. ठीक है? First law of motion, second law of motion, third law of motion, we should remember.
Yes, sir.
Second level is, okay, so what kind of question teacher will ask you in examination? He will say, state Newton's laws of motion. Okay?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, they don't ask such simple questions. And
If suppose.
oh, suppose.
Okay, see the level, the lowest level. At lowest level, this is the question,
Yes, sir.
and the task is remembering. The task is remembering. सही है? And
Yes, sir.
example, state Newton's laws of motion. Okay. Second, higher level, little higher than remembering, is comprehend, to understand. सही है? You understand something. Explain Newton's laws of motion with examples. सही है?
Yes,
माना
sir.
आऊं तव्हांखे ईअं चवां त भई मूं तव्हांखे न्यूटन जो लॉ पढ़ायो आहे ऐं न्यूटन जे लॉ जा मूं तव्हांखे एग्जांपल्स क्लास में ॾिना आहिनि, पर हाणे तव्हां मूंखे नवां एग्जांपल्स ॾियो, डिफरेंट. सही
जी
है?
सर.
And
हाँ.
explain in your own words. अच्छा, this one is different from the first one. First one में छा आहे? It is a parrot. तोते वांगुरु तव्हांखे यादि करणो आहे. जेको तव्हांखे ॿुधायो हो न, exactly उहे ई लफ़्ज़ आहे.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Exactly the same thing. Like, for example, memorizing a poem.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Poems with a teachers असांखां memorize कराईंदा हुआ न.
Yes, sir.
है न? त पोइ उहो मेमोरी हुई. ठीकु आहे? ऐं तव्हांखे चवंदा आहिनि, छा चवंदा आहिनि त पोएम लिखो, शाइर जो नालो लिखो, है न? Memorizing.
Yes, sir.
This one is explaining in your own words, restating something in different way. For example, I can ask you to write in your mother tongue something explained already in English. So, you know, you cannot write in your mother tongue unless you understand it. And you cannot give good examples, your own examples, unless you understand Newton's laws. So I was telling you that writing the same thing in the same words which were written on your copy is memorizing. सही है? But writing in same thing in different words is possible when you have understood something. And next level is application.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा पियो न ॿुधण में?
Yes, sir.
ठीकु आहे. Application. Application छा आहे? Third level. That is application of the knowledge. तव्हां जेको whatever you learn, you are able to apply. You should be able to apply Newton's laws that you have memorized, that you have understood. So first you memorize, then you understand, and third thing, you can apply. For example, in this question, does anyone tell you that you have to use Newton's law, first law of motion, or second law of motion, or third law of motion? Does this question tell you?
No,
No,
sir.
but the condition.
Yeah, so first you will understand the question. Second, you need to realize that this question can be solved using laws of Newton's laws of motion. So yeah, first you need to understand the question, and then you need to realize that I can apply Newton's laws to solve this question. But this question does not tell you that you have to apply Newton's laws. You need to apply Newton's laws yourself because you have understood sufficiently the question and you realize yourself that, okay, I can solve this question, this problem with using the knowledge given by my teacher. सही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third level analysis. Oh, sorry, fourth level. Fourth level is analysis. This is the higher level. Now, what does hierarchy mean? Hierarchy means that you cannot go to second level without achieving the first level. You cannot go to third level without achieving the second level.
Second.
Yeah. So fourth level, achieving fourth level is not possible without achieving third level. That is called hierarchy. ठीक है? And analysis में क्या थींदो that you can distinguish, differentiate, contrast the things, or more importantly, in your engineering context, I tell you, you should be able to break down a problem into sub-problems. I want to get change to break up. Sorry, not break down. Break down is different. ठीक है? Break up. सही है ने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Novel. Okay. So throughout your life, you have to face problems which you have never seen before. सही है? Throughout your life, in the course of life, you will come across problems perhaps which you have already encountered, but sometimes you will come across problems which are entirely new. They are novel for you. You have never faced them before.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is called facing a novel complex engineering problem. For example, you in your being in the profession of engineering, you come across an engineering problem, complex engineering problem, which is new. You have never seen this before, but you are intelligent enough. You are intelligent enough to break down the problem, new problem. Break down this into sub-problems. You realize that, okay, this problem is actually combination of 3 problems. And I know those 3 problems already. And I know solutions to them. So you break down a complex problem into sub-problems and you know the solutions to the sub-problems. And then you solve all the sub-problems step by step, and hence you solve the complex engineering problem. But the skill is ability to divide the problem into sub-problem. ठीक है? Breakup माना?
तोड़ना.
हाँ, breakup माना तोड़ना, ठीक है? And breakdown माना? Nobody knows breakdown. Breakdown की खबर कौन है? Machine breakdown थी इंडिया. Breakdown माना खराब थी इंडिया. सही है? Breakdown थी वनेण माना काशे खराब थी वनेण. Stop working. सही कौन है?
Breakdown, mechanical failure.
खराब थी वनेण ना?
Yes, sir.
Breakdown माना खराब थी वनेण. Breakup माना तोड़ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
जीअं अॼुकल्ह लॉकडाउन आहे ऐं ॿियो वरी लॉकअप आहे. लॉकअप माना पुलिस तव्हांखे बंदि करे छॾियो. हाँ
Yes, sir.
ॿियो वरी लॉकडाउन वरी तव्हां पंहिंजे पाण खे घर में बंदि करे छॾियो. ओके हा ठीकु आहे. सो अंग्रेज़नि जी मर्ज़ी आहे, कॾहिं अप कॾहिं डाउन. Okay, now this is an example. Can you see this example question? A ball having mass of 200 grams, a paper plane having mass of 10 grams, and a needle having mass of 5 grams are allowed to fall from the height of 10 meters. What will be the first and the last object to hit the ground? State reasons. Okay, this is a kind of comparison, or a situation where you need to analyze, because actually many factors you need to consider in solving this question. What do you think? Which will be the first object and which will be the last object that will hit the ground?
Sir, needle.
Okay, needle is 5 grams, and plane is 10 grams, and ball is 200 grams, and the answer is needle. Okay, needle is the first, and who is the last?
Ball.
Okay, so ball is the last object that will hit the ground. So ball is the slowest, needle is the fastest. Okay, all of you think so? Anyone?
Sir,
Ji.
sir, the force of gravity is greater on heavier objects than the lighter objects.
वो मूंखे त जवाब खपे न, पहिरीं कहिड़ो हिट कंदो?
पोइ सर बॉल पहिरियां किरंदो न.
अलाए तव्हांजा क्लास फेलो त चवनि था त नीडल पहिरीं किरंदी.
फोर्स जेको ग्रेविटी जो हूंदो आहे उहो हेवियर ऑब्जेक्ट्स ते वधीक हूंदो आहे न सर, एज कंपेयर टू लाइटर ऑब्जेक्ट्स.
भाई
Yes, sir.
खे कहिड़ी ख़बर आहे? तव्हांजा दोस्त चवनि पिया त बॉल पहिरीं किरंदो, नीडल पहिरीं किरंदी.
Sir, ball very.
बॉल पहिरीं किरंदो.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा,
जी सर, जो वजन वधीक तो पहिरीं किरंदो.
अच्छा सही आहे.
सर
ॿियो या
सर एयर रेजिस्टेंस आहे या सर न सर वो तो ॿुधायो.
अच्छा, मस उज़ेर थोरो अकुल इस्तेमाल कयो आहे.
सर अगर एयर रेजिस्टेंस ना आहे त पोइ टे कट कंदो.
Exacting.
अच्छा, उज़ेर सही जवाब ॾिनो आहे. एयर रेजिस्टेंस कोन्हे त टई गॾु किरंदा, ऐं जॾहिं त तव्हांजे दोस्तनि सभिनी मूंखे उबता जवाब ॾिना. इन्हनि छा पे चयो थोरी देरि पहिरीं?
सर बॉल ऐं नीडल.
हिननि चयो पे त वज़न जंहिंमें मास वधीक आहे उन ते ग्रेविटी वधीक लॻंदी.
सर एनालाइज करणो आहे न.
हिननि चयो पे त जंहिंमें मास वधीक आहे उन ते ग्रेविटी वधीक एक्शन कंदी ऐं हू जेको आहे जल्दी किरंदो. जॾहिं त तव्हां माना न्यूटन जे लॉस खे कॾहिं सम्झो ई कोन्हे, है न? जेको चवंदो आहे त सभु शयूं साॻी एक्सेलरेशन सां हेठि किरंदियूं आहिनि. इहो कोन पढ़ियो हो?
यस सर.
So, irrespective of mass, all the things will fall at the same time. So yeah, if there is no air resistance. हाणे अचूं air resistance ते. हाणे जेकॾहिं चऊं second possibility त जेकॾहिं air resistance आहे त पोइ छा थींदो?
वो सर ॻरो ऑब्जेक्ट पहिरीं करंदो.
अच्छा, पोइ ॻरो ऑब्जेक्ट पहिरीं किरंदो. हाणे इहो कानून किथां आयो?
सर छो त एयर रेजिस्टेंस आहे न.
Resistance neglected 9.
बाबा एयर रेजिस्टेंस खे त पहिरीं ख़तम कयोसीं त ओॾी महिल त तव्हां चयो त हाणे त सभु गॾु किरंदा।
हा
हाणे एयर रेजिस्टेंस वरी छा कंदो जो हाणे वरी वज़न तव्हांखे यादि अची वियो। एयर रेजिस्टेंस जो वज़न सां कहिड़ो तालुक आहे? हलो ठीकु आहे, तव्हांजी ॻाल्हि था मञी वठूं। एयर रेजिस्टेंस आहे त पोइ मास था खणूं। पोइ ॿुधायो सभिनी खां पहिरीं केरु किरंदो? सभिनी खां पहिरीं केरु किरंदो?
सर जेको गोरो हूंदो
हा
बॉल।
केरु आहे? बॉल। हलो ठीकु आहे। नंबर 2 ते?
सर प्लेन पोइ नीडल न।
अच्छा हाणे 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 तव्हांजी हवा निकिरी वई। हाणे केरु जवाब नथो ॾे? Nobody answers. All of you disappeared. छा थियो? Are you there? आयो वेठा आयो या हलिया विया?
Yes, sir.
पर वेठो आहे बट आंसर समझ नथो अचे।
हाँ
Yes, sir.
सच में नथो अचे। ॾिसो
जवाब
हाणे
आहे।
हाणे ॾिसो तव्हां सभु फेल थी विया। ओके पहिरीं ॻाल्हि त if there is no resistance, air resistance, all the objects will fall under gravity with the same acceleration, so all will fall together. It has nothing to do with mass. सही है? The examiner has given mass to confuse you. Secondly, if there is air resistance, then air resistance will be more if the object is bigger. Have you studied surface area? Acha, if you want to fall down from a height and if you want to fall down in a controlled manner, what will you do?
सर इंक्रीज सरफेस एरिया कंदा।
Sir, parachute.
Parachute छा कंदो आहे?
Sir, balance.
Parachute has very large surface area. It increases the air resistance. It increases the air resistance. So while you fall, air resistance becomes small, very large. Air resistance becomes very large. So faster you go down, higher becomes the air resistance. So there occurs a balance. There occurs a balance. So then you fall slow down with a constant velocity. You fall slowly with a constant velocity. Now, what do you think? Whose surface area is bigger?
सर बॉल।
बॉल दी सरफेस एरिया घट
Sir,
है।
ball.
हाँ बॉल दी सरफेस एरिया घट है, बट प्लेन इज इवन पर पेपर प्लेन has might be having paper plane might be having little less surface area than the ball, but you know that the paper plane is aerodynamic structure. Paper plane is
Aerodynamic structure.
aerodynamic structure. So you know that falls in the last. That is the last object to hit the ground. Okay, so paper plane exploits the air resistance more. ठीक है? If you know, some of you make very good paper plane, some of you do not make a very good paper plane. तव्हां सभु जहाज ठाहींदा त कंहिंजो जहाज इलाही सुठो उॾामंदो, इलाही देर हवा में हूंदो। Some of you जेको तव्हां मां जेके जहाज ठाहींदा उहो किरी पवंदो जल्दी। ईअं हूंदो आहे न? ईअं कोन हूंदो आहे?
Yes, sir.
So someone of you make a good paper plane and it stays in the air for long, and some of you make very bad plane, it falls down immediately. Does it happen? Why? ये छो थींदो आहे?
Yes, sir.
Because some airplanes have very good aerodynamic structure and they exploit the air resistance. सही है? They become good gliders. ठीक है? So last object कहिड़ो हूंदो? Paper plane हूंदो। first object to hit ground will be needle, है ना? सही कोने? Needle जी जेका surface area इलाही नंढड़ी हुंदी है. So perhaps it will be least affected by air resistance. अच्छा, next higher step is called okay, analysis से problem में छा हुंदो? There will be multiple factors that you need to consider. There will be multiple factors that you need to. For example, there is a complex problem in which Newton's laws are also apply and laws of thermodynamics also apply. So you need to solve the problem by applying both laws of thermodynamics as well as laws of motion. सही है? Synthesis. Okay, you need to make something. Making something is called synthesis. सही है? फरवा बैठी है?
Yes, sir.
फरवा करें कुछ ठायो है जिंदगी में?
जी सर.
छा ठायो है?
सर जी कुछ जहाज.
सर चाय ठाई है था सर.
चाय ठाई है. वेरी गुड.
सर चाय वीआईपी ठाई है.
चाय वीआईपी ठाई दिया. ठीक है. ॿियो? ऑमलेट ठाहींदा आहियो?
जी सर कुकिंग भी ईंदी आहे.
कुकिंग भी ईंदी आहे. वेरी गुड. सो
माण्हुनि खे ठहण में ईंदो अथसि.
माण्हुनि खे
सर परवाने पकोड़े भी बनाए थे.
माण्हुनि
सर
खे
सानिया खां ई सिखियो आहे.
सानिया
सर ये
खां
सानिया
सिखियो
खां ई सिखियो आहे. जी
आहे? हलो
सर.
ठीक है. सानिया इज योर टीचर. ओके ओके.
Yes.
जी सर. सर सानिया कुकिंग इलाही सुठी कंदी आहे. सर
अच्छा
प्राउड टू हैव हर.
अच्छा कुकिंग सिखी अथव? मूं सम्झो माण्हुनि खे शयूं ठाहिण सिखियो अथव.
सर भाई.
अच्छा भई हलो ठीक है. मूं पे चयो त कुकिंग इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ सिंथेसिस.
ओके.
सही है? You make things. ठीक है? You make things creatively. So if I give you the same ingredients to everyone, all of you can come up with something new.
Yes,
something
sir.
different. All of you will not come up with the same thing. Every one of you will bring something different. See, if you cannot see each other, if you are not copying from each other, सही है? Everyone will
Yes.
come up with different thing. सही है? Okay. Now, हीच है.
Puzzle.
हाँ.
पजल.
हिनमें मुख्तलिफ पार्ट्स आहिनि. उन्हनि खे मिलाए पाण हिकिड़ो होल ठाहियूं पिया.
Synthesis.
ठीक है? The on the right is a whole. On the left are the parts. So you combine parts to make a whole. It is called synthesis. Was it? Is this right example of synthesis? Is this correct example of synthesis?
No sir.
Okay. I think this was Aliza who said no.
Sir, Aliza.
Yes, Aliza. Tell me why it is not good example of synthesis.
Sir, because each of us will not get the different results. We all will get the same result in the end.
Okay, wonderful. You are the most intelligent person. This does not lead to a creative solution. All of you will make the elephant. Farwa will not bring camel. Okay? If I give
Yes.
you, all of you, I give this puzzle,
Same
all of you
results.
will make, same result,
result.
elephant. You cannot
Yes,
make
sir.
camel out
Camel.
of it.
जी सर.
So, and what about this?
Sir, this is correct.
Yes,
This
sir.
is correct.
This is
because
correct.
Yes, sir. This is
all
correct.
of you will bring
Make different
something
things, sir.
different.
सर हर कोई पंहिंजी क्रिएटिविटी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in synthesis question, we gave you two things. Synthesis question में छा मिलियल हूंदो आहे? You are provided two things. What? How many? How many things?
Two, sir.
Two things कहिड़ी हूंदियूं? One will be resources. So some resources will be given to you. For example, these blocks. And what will be the second thing?
Product.
No, we will not give you product. Second thing is the requirement.
Right.
For example, requirement. For example, I will tell you that what kind of thing I want to eat today. सही है तव्हां खे माण्हू जी टेस्ट जी ख़बर हूंदी ऐं तव्हां वटि कुझु किचन में सामान पियो आहे ठीक है you know your friend taste of your friend you are a guest and all of you have available the same ingredients some of you will be very wise in cooking so resources available will not be infinite resources available will be finite त जेको इंटेलिजेंट माण्हू हूंदो छा कंदो लिमिटेड रिसोर्सिस मां इलाही सुठी शइ ठाहे वठंदो ऐं जेको माण्हू सुठो कोन हूंदो कुकिंग में छा कंदो शयूं बि ज़्यान कंदो वक़्तु बि ज़्यान कंदो ऐं आख़िर में शइ बि हिकिड़ी किनी खणी ईंदो ठीकु आहे कुकिंग जो एग्जांपल समझ में आयो
Yes, sir.
ओके जेकॾहिं तव्हांखे केरु चवे त मूंखे हिननि ब्लॉक्स मां ठाहे ॾियो यू नीड टू आस्क तव्हांखे छा ठाहे ॾियूं
जी सर
यू नीड टू आस्क द रिक्वायरमेंट
जी सर
त भई तव्हांखे हलण वारी गाॾी खपे थी तव्हांखे घर खपे थो हा या तव्हांखे को मॉस्क खपे थी या तव्हांखे को शॉपिंग मॉल खपे थो what should I make from these blocks या को monument खपे थो ठीक है so you can make monuments out of this you can make a place of worship or house or a shopping center a commercial area huh isn't it or even sometimes you can make vehicle a moving object or animal any shape ठीक so you need to ask so if for example I give you blocks and I ask you to make a house all of you will make a different house if you are not copying from each other so एग्जाम में जेकॾहिं तव्हांखे केरु क्वेश्चन ॾे सिंथेसिस जो त जवाब कहिड़ो हूंदो जेकॾहिं एग्जाम में तव्हांखे केरु सिंथेसिस जो क्वेश्चन ॾींदो त जवाब कहिड़ो हूंदो
वो क्वेश्चन ॾिसी ॿुधाईंदासीं न सर
सभिनी जो मुख़्तलिफ़ हूंदो सभिनी जो
डिफरेंट
सभिनी जो मुख़्तलिफ़ हूंदो no two people will bring the same solution because it is a synthesis question so yeah it needs creativity and if you are not copying from each other and if it is a novel question then everyone will have the different answer okay I have a question हाणे फ़ायद का पूछूं था तो छा है भला जवाब anyone has to say something
Sir, parachute.
Okay, and this must be Nurulan.
Yes, sir.
Nurulan, you are the most intelligent person on earth. She will make parachute. So if you are a teacher and you want to explain your students the concept of gravity, air friction, equilibrium, all in one experiment, and you have no equipment, you can make very simple parachute using handkerchief, stone and string, and it will explain all the three things: gravity, air friction and equilibrium. Don't you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
but you know, you might come across, all of you may have some different idea also. Okay, last thing is evaluation, and this needs to be done, you know, a kind of analysis but after synthesis. So some object is, you know, I gave you some objects, like for example, you go for shopping and you have limited amount available. Any one of you who has unlimited amount?
No, sir.
Okay, so
No, sir, we are ready.
okay,
Sir, ideally, we have.
okay, normally you have limited amount in your pocket. Okay, so you need to be wise while shopping. There is a trade-off. There is a trade-off. Trade-off केमें हुंदो है? Trade-off केमें हुंदो है? Shopping में हुंदो है. कीअं हुंदो है? कशमकश हुंदी है न? उनखे trade-off चइबो आहे. Trade-off कंहिंखे चइबो आहे? जी. Okay. Trade-off छा हुंदो आहे? कशमकश. हिकिड़े पासे amount आहे, पैसा आहिनि, ॿिए पासे quality आहे. So more you, less amount you spend, less quality you have. More amount you spend, more quality you have. सही है? So there are 4 cell phones in front of you, and you need to choose the best. You need to choose the best. So for example, there are few ideas, methods, procedures, algorithms, solutions. They are presented to you. You need to choose best among them, or you need to rank them 1, 2, 3, 4. My first choice, second choice, third choice, fourth choice. But you need to give logical arguments. Why something is your first choice? Why something is your second choice? Why something is your third choice? And why something is your fourth choice? So that depends on the requirement. तव्हांजी requirement छा आहे? उन मुताबिक़ तव्हां पंहिंजे शइ खे rank कंदा. जेके options तव्हां वटि available आहिनि, you will rank the options. त सभिनी खां तव्हांजे लाइ best कहिड़ो आहे? Depending on the resources that are available to you and depending on the requirement. The synthesis and evaluation. ॿिन्ही में छा हूंदो आहे? हिकिड़ी requirement हूंदी आहे and ॿियूं resources available हूंदियूं आहिनि. ठीक है? Clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the last slide. Can you solve this problem? This is the analysis question, by the way. This is not evaluation, but leave it. I give you this thing. What does this tell you? Yesterday I told you about lifelong learning.
सर यो पढ़ण ही नथो अचे.
छो?
अलाए छा लिखियल आहे. सुठी तालीम तव्हांजी
अच्छा ठीक है.
तव्हांजे
Okay.
मथे में हक़ाइक़ जो अंबार
बदिरां
बदिरां तजस्सी
तजस्सी
चिणगत
ॾेखारी आहे जंहिंखां पोइ तव्हां सॼी ॼमात सिखंदा रहंदा आहियो.
सभु छा आहे?
Okay. The same.
तालीम असांखे लर्निंग आया तजस्सुस पैदा कंदी आहे जीअं असां आया सिखूं.
This, you know, the same thing is written in English.
Good education is not what fills your head with facts, but what stimulates curiosity you then learn for the rest of your life.
Okay.
Nice.
The same thing is written in English also. Okay. One more thing. Yesterday we were discussing lifelong learning. I was telling you about lifelong learning, isn't it? So good education prepares you for learning throughout your life. And good education does not mean only level 1 learning. Level 1 learning kadi we only memorize. So we don't want to keep you on level 1. You need to go to level 6, the highest skill. अच्छा, टीचर जो कम कहिड़ो हूंदो आहे?
सर पेपर चेक कर पढ़ें मार्क्स उठा जाए बाहर की
Evaluation.
सुधारण Yes, sir, sorry.
Evaluation. टीचर
Devaluation.
आखिरी कम. Evaluation. आखिरी कम टीचर जो आखिरी कम
हाँ।
कहिड़ो हूंदो आहे? Evaluation.
प्रदर्शन of evaluation.
Teacher has to be the most intelligent because
Yes, sir,
he
no
has
doubt.
he has to do the last work. You know the
Yes.
highest level evaluation.
Yes.
Okay.
Marking.
Okay. Who knows this guy? हिन माण्हू खे सुञाणंदा आहियो?
नील डिग्रेस टाइसन
Is deGrasse Tyson.
सुञाणंदा आहियो हिन जी? कॾहिं डॉक्यूमेंट्री ॾिठी आहे हिन जी?
Yes, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
एस्ट्रोफिजिस्ट है ना
No, sir.
अमेरिकन
Yeah. He's astrophysicist. Yeah, astrophysicist, and he's science
मिनिस्टर ऑफ साइंस
science popularizer.
यस सर
He science के मक़बूल कंदो आहे among people.
सर
हिन जी documentaries and I took you a lot of time.